We're proud to share our most recent 5-star review. Our company staff works hard to go the extra mile, so these positive reviews are very motivating. When our customers give glowing reviews like this one, it helps us know we're fulfilling our commitment to provide every customer with a first-class experience. We love hearing great feedback because it really is our goal to satisfy everyone who works with us. Now that's a total win-win situation. Find out why our customers are so happy and value their experience with us so much. They keep coming back over and over again. We're happy to say we've earned our glowing reviews one customer at a time. If we can help you or the people you care about, don't hesitate to call the number on your screen. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.